Hi guys, Fred.Zent, Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to show you a 2019 Catalina Trailblazer. It's made by Coachmen. Come on inside, I'm going to show you this nice little toy hauler. Your ramp turns into a patio with gates that go all the way around with a nice little exit there. You also have a nice screen to keep bugs out. And then here you have two side-by-side couches that also turn down into a bed. And if you want to have that one down, you can slide the table over so you guys can have dinner. Two nice little swivel chairs. You have a nice dual sink. Storage underneath for garbage. Drawer for silverware. And then you got overhead storage as well. Got a nice stainless steel microwave with a hood vent combo. You got a 3-burner stove and a nice little oven there. Right here you got your Norcold refrigerator. And then over here you got your TV, your CD with Bluetooth, storage above the TV and below as well. Come on in here to the bathroom. Got your sink with the vanity above, storage underneath for towels, nice shower, corner shower. And then here's your toilet, and you got some more room for towels. When you come back into the bedroom, you got a nice walk around queen size bed, storage underneath, and then you have more storage on both sides and above, and you also have power on both sides. In case you have sleep apnea, you need a CPAP machine. Got your cable connector if you want to run a satellite system. Two 110 volt. Like I said, when you're not using your toys, this sure makes a nice patio. You got vents on both sides, one in the back and one in the front. That way if you're having any gas leakage, you can open them up and get the fumes out. This is your black flush tank. And then your city water connection. Here's your plug-in if you're staying at an RV camp. Your water connection, outdoor shower. And then you got your waste valve tanks right there. Guys, if you got any questions, feel free to give me a call. My name's Fred.Zent, 541-729-9500. Thanks for looking.